Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse today, Thursday, August 11th, 2022. Now, we're covering a number of cases here, but yesterday in the afternoon we covered the beginning or the precursor to the jury selection in U.S. versus Saipov. Saipov is the gentleman that drove a van down the West Side Highway, killing at least 8, and now he's facing trial. The Biden administration still hasn't taken the death penalty off the table. That was one of the big things, so they're trying to figure out with the questionnaire what it should ask a death qualified jury. Pretty much doubting he would get the death penalty if convicted. Pretty much betting he's going to be convicted. But it's going to be a long trial, and we're going to cover it. Also here, not on the criminal side, but on the civil, well, criminal and civil, Eddy Alexandre. He was a Haitian-born crypto entrepreneur who had a thing called EDNY. It's all come crashing down. He's charged with a crime. He's hired a former prosecutor to defend him. But EDNY itself has a receiver who's bringing up fees, and now there's a letter by one of the investors seeking to lower the fees because it's coming out of their hide. They're also paying for Alexandre's lawyer, so there's a lot of interesting conflict of interest issues there. We're going to turn, as we're doing these days, at least for now, to the Eastern District of New York, where we're covering a number of cases, although it's pretty murky and it's hard to do. We were going to cover the case of a name named Ukrainsky. He's a Russian hacker that was captured in Thailand and extradited to the United States, just like Victor Bout sometime before. But he was supposed to be arraigned, but by Zoom from the MDC in Brooklyn. But it turns out they put him on a bus, and he was on the bus, and he couldn't do it. We asked EDNY, Breon Peace Attorney General's spokesman, John Marzulli, to explain what was the role of the prosecution's office in this second screw-up on Ukrainsky. No answer at all. Nor on the delay on the status conference on Jordan and Washington, accused of killing Jam Master Jay of Run-DMC. That's one that I know they're pitching to the press. So you'd think they'd answer a question on it, but no. We're going to cover today Liu and some other guys. It's a Chinese case, Chinese spying and threats case in EDNY. The UN, of course, is bought by China, but we're going to find out if the EDNY will answer these questions. Inner City Press, to be continued.